Just a few parts we're putting together. Guess I'm gonna start with that rear sprocket. The motor's already got the new 12 on the front, so. New sprocket on it. Got the new brakes on her stuff. It's gonna work out something nice. And I'll throw these new foot pegs on. We had to kind of modify them a bit for a YZ250. Not too bad. It's gonna look good. Forks look pretty damn good. Now it's these ones turn. One fully rebuilt. Got her painted, new seals, new boots. XR80 fork spring. Not too bad, fellers. She look alright. She look alright to me. Shit. Oh, she's starting to look kind of tall now, boys. So bite them titties. Dude, we got the new, used CRF 80 forks. Rebuilt them. New fork seals. We rhino line them some bitches. They look pretty good. I think they look good. Oh man, there's a bunch of dirt on that one. But she wiped right off the frame. Looks good. Let's just tell it like it is. There's your difference in all seriousness. Almost much girthier. Much girthier. So we're gonna hang the motor in this mother. I didn't want to leave this apart in my shop, so basically I haven't painted it yet, but I plan on taking it out and painting that after I break in the engine. Got the block off plate installed. I'm gonna paint the cover and put it back on. This cable is obviously too long, but we just made a new housing for it out of some thick old fuel line. Heated it up and got it on there. Now she's gonna have a thumb throttle, boys. So you guys are wondering how to mod it? Look at that fit, boys. We don't need no Yamaha split cable, no goofy choke. This is the zip tie mod hot choke. Zip tie mod choke. You don't think that's a good fit, boys? Come on. I had to mod it. I took my clippers and I cut just a little piece of the zip tie off. So now all you do is you
on my premium Snapchat to see how I did it.
Yeah, you cornhole the spring over it. Put it right back in the choke weasel. That thumb throttle, boy. 450 pegs. Everything looking so fresh and so clean. Your name?
Wedo?
Look at these. Man, I done upgraded them to these badass Chinese ones. No way they're stripping out.
Oh, no way.
No way.
Paint's not going to come off either already. Sorry.
So we greased it. Everything's getting the grease. That sucker's greased. Almost got her done. New front brakes, boy. Look at her. Look at them front brakes new. Huh? Clutch cover's all spiffed. What? Polished her. Look at there. New back brakes. And then I put this little bushing in here I made to hold the tank up better so it don't have any play in it. It's not moving around. The seat rides on it. Second break in.